Temu is literally paying people to share a link, and I just made $500 today doing it. No product, no website, just copy and paste and get paid. But most people mess this up and make $0. Watch this video till the end and I'll show you exactly how to do it right. Follow me to the video. But before that, if this is your first time coming across this channel, my name is Michael and this is Cash Creation Clan, where we share with you tips to make money online. So do well to smash that subscribe button and hit the drop down bell icon to get notified whenever I post the video. So now let's go to the video. Firstly, what is Temu affiliate marketing? Temu is a massive online marketplace like Amazon but cheaper. Their affiliate program pays you when someone signs up or buys through your link. Here is where it gets interesting. Even if someone just signs up for free, you still get paid. But the question is, how much can you earn? Let me show you my earnings. This is $500 showing on my screen right now. Comment Temu in the comment section below if you have ever shopped on Temu. So now let me show you how to sign up and get your unique link. So to get the sign up button, you see the video description down below for the sign up button. Once you click on the link on the video description, you'll be brought to this page. So all you have to do is to click on get now to go and download the app, or if you already have the app, it will bring you to the Temu app. Then you have to log in. Once you download the app, then you sign up or you register. Then but if you already have an account, you just sign in, then to bring you to this page. But if it doesn't bring you to the page, you go to the comment section, click on the link again. Since you have the app, to bring you to this page, so all you have to do is to click on get 4,500 naira now to copy your link. Once you click on it, your link has been copied successfully, as you can see. But if that thing doesn't show that your link has been copied, you click on copy link here. Once you just copy the link, your link has been copied. All you have to do is to go and share to people to gain the amazing amount of money. But then, what is your goal? Here is the thing. Most people stop here and never make money. They just post their link randomly and hope for the best. Big mistake. I am about to show you the 3 proven ways to get clicks and sales faster. The first method here is TikTok and Instagram Reels. Those are get the fastest results. People love crazy cheap Temu products. Use that to your advantage. Make a quick unboxing video of a Temu product and your affiliate link in your bio and tell people to check it out. For example, you can say like this: I got this $1 on Temu. Want one? The link is in my bio. Do you know why this works? It works because people love watching cheap finds go viral. I'm not gonna play all these videos because of the copyright of a thing of YouTube, so I'm just going to show you some good reviews about Temu on TikTok and Instagram. The second method on my list to get clicks fast on your link and sales fast is through Facebook groups, which is a Reddit, a free traffic hack. So now let me show you. Find Facebook groups about deals, frugal shopping, or online side hustles. Then post a Temu giveaway or best Temu deals. Post and drop your link. Never spam your link. Give value first. The last but not the least method for you to share your link and get clicks fast is through YouTube Shorts. Make a quick Temu haul videos showing the best deals you found. For example, I bought 5 viral Temu gadgets for under $5. Here's what I got. Do you know why this works? Because people love watching shopping hauls and deals. So I will tell you the biggest mistakes beginners make. when they are trying to get clicks on Temu affiliate program. The first mistake people make is when they are over, like when they are not patient, they are in a haste to make money. When they come here and they click on the withdraw button, they see that they are not able to withdraw, they just give up, and that is a very big mistake. You can never find any website in this entire world that you just register and make money easily. You have to go through some processes. So the first key to this affiliate program is patience and consistency. Don't just come and click on the withdraw button to get money fast. It's not done anywhere. The second mistake people make is by spamming other people through another person's website. For example, they go to a WhatsApp group or a Facebook channel, go to the comment section and reply to people's posts with their link. If you do that, your account is likely to get blocked. So do well to dive into this method of making money. If you snooze, you lose. People are really making money from this Temu affiliate program. So don't waste time. Dive into this as fast as you can. I hope that by this step-by-step method shown in this video, it has been a very wonderful opportunity for you to make money online. Subscribe to this channel if that sounds like true. Like this video and make sure you share with friends. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to go into the comment section below and share me your questions. I'll be available to respond to them as fast as possible. I'll be signing out for now, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you at the top of the world. Thank you.